Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry I've been MIA for a little while. I was totally busy with work and everything, and just didn't have time to get a video up for you guys. But update, I got a keratin treatment. All my curly hair girls, please don't get mad at me. I just wanted to manage my curls better. I work outside sometimes too, and my curls get they get super dehydrated and my hair has just been super dry. So I just wanted something to kind of just help me take away the frizz and just to make my curls a little stretched out, make them a little longer. So that's why I chose to do the keratin treatment. And this video is mostly about me getting the keratin treatment. I already got it on my hair, so this is the keratin treatment on my hair, as you guys can see. It's pretty straight. If you can see the roots too, they are super straight. And I got it done last night, which was a Thursday night. Today's Friday. Yeah, today's Friday at 1 o'clock. So I got the keratin treatment done, and it was the Keratin Express treatment, which there's the Keratin Express, and then there's the full keratin treatment. The Keratin Express just lasts for a shorter period of time, 3 to 6 weeks. And the full keratin treatment lasts for 6 months, I want to say. So I chose to just do the Keratin Express just to try it out and see if it was going to work on my hair and what the results were going to be like. So that's why I did it. So my experience in the salon, I went to the salon at 7 o'clock and they were closing at 8, so I just knew it was gonna take so long. So I was I just didn't want to have somebody in there till 10 p.m. doing my hair, but that's kind of what it was. So she started at 7 o'clock. It was at this place called Studio 101. It's a really nice salon in Lafayette. If you guys live in Lafayette, I would definitely recommend them. My stylist was Dominique. Dominique did a really great job on my hair, honestly. And I would definitely go back to her. But anyway, so Dominique started. She kind of just looked at my hair. If you guys don't know what my hair looks like in its natural state, I'll put a picture up. You can kind of see in my hair straightening video I did, maybe a month or two ago or a couple months ago, I'm not sure. But my hair is pretty much tight curls. Probably 3C, I want to say. I'm not exactly too sure, honestly. My hair does what it wants, whenever it wants it. Sometimes it's tight curls, sometimes it's looser curls. I don't know. Sometimes it's all kind of frizz, sometimes it's no frizz. It just depends on the weather and how I treat my hair every day. So, but yeah, my curls are usually tight. And so that's why I wanted to get the keratin done in the first place. So my hair was tight when I went in with her, tight curls. They were kind of stretched out a little bit, but not really. I had minimal product on my hair, so yeah. Got to her, she was like, okay, you got a lot of hair going on. I do have a lot of hair, as you can tell. It's to my belly button, basically. So she first started off and she cleansed my hair with some shampoo. She cleansed it between 2 and 3 times. And I guess because I have a lot of hair, but also because you just want to make sure that you take out any product in your hair, because the keratin doesn't really work well with other products. So you want to make sure your hair is clean and everything. And so she did that for me, got my hair super clean. And so the next part is basically detangling the hair. And all my curly hair girls, or all my natural girls, can understand how hard it is to detangle your hair when there's nothing on it and it's basically almost dry. And so I was looking at her and I was girl, and I was looking at my stylist Dominique. I was girl, I don't know how you're gonna do this, but it took her a while to detangle my hair, honestly. It would take anybody a while. Just as my curly girls know, my naturals know, your hair gets knotted, my ends aren't perfect, so my ends were getting knotted and everything, so it was taking her a while to detangle. But she finally got it detangled after maybe 30 or 40 minutes, and then put the keratin treatment on there. The keratin treatment, she kind of just used like a brush that you would use to apply color on your hair. I can't think of the name of it, but that kind of brush, if you guys know what I'm talking about. She just used that and put the keratin treatment on my hair, making sure not to have excess amounts on your hair. I guess that's important. You don't want to put too much. You just want to make sure that you coat the strands. And so that's what she did. Using a comb on some parts and just using her fingers on the other parts. And she was wearing gloves. So she kept her hands protected and everything like that. And the next part was actually blow drying the hair with the keratin treatment on there. So, and that was, the blow drying part was the longest part basically and the toughest part because, I mean, my hair was still pretty much, like, she detangled half of it before she put the keratin treatment on there, but after the keratin treatment my hair was still pretty much like knotted and tangled, so blow drying it straight was a hassle for her. That took the longest part. It took maybe like an hour or longer than an hour really. Who knows, but she blew dried it straight, basically straight. And the next part was the flat ironing process. The flat ironing process didn't take as long because, you know, when you blow dry the hair, she blew dry pretty much straight. So my ends were straight. Everything was pretty much detangled for the most part. And she straightened it. And whenever you straighten the hair, you can kind of see how the keratin is taking effect into the hair. That's kind of where the keratin bonds to your hair during the flat ironing process. The only like critique I'd have to say is that I know my curly hair guys and my naturals, it's hard whenever we go to a salon, and sometimes if they're not used to working on textured hair, sometimes if your hair is knotted or whatever, sometimes they kind of just rake and comb so harsh on the hair, it just feels like they're breaking it out type of thing, and that's kind of what she was doing. So when the flat ironing process, it was like she was flat ironing like knots and tangles still in my hair. So I felt that after she was done, it didn't feel like sleek and straight. It felt soft, but it felt like my hair was like pressed and not actually straightened. And so when I got home, I did actually re-straighten it with my own flat iron. And I'll put a link to my flat iron below. It's actually made for curly hair or natural hair because it has like a comb in it. And so you don't actually have to do the chase method. You can just use the flat iron because it has the comb in there for you. And it will help to actually like straighten the hair instead of pressing down the hair, if that makes sense. So yeah, that process was done. It took like 2.5 hours for the keratin treatment, start to finish. And she gave me the shampoo I should use with keratin in it and has no sulfates or sodium chloride, which actually will break down the keratin, so it doesn't have that in there. So it's good to use if you are using it. If you do get a keratin treatment and they don't actually give you a shampoo, just make sure it doesn't have sulfates and it doesn't have sodium chloride, and you should be good for the first wash. So yeah, I'm actually pleased with my results. Yeah. I still haven't shampooed yet. With the Keratin Express, you can shampoo after 8 hours as opposed to the 72 hours with the full keratin treatment. And I've passed 8 hours already. I finished my keratin treatment last night at about 10 o'clock, and it's now the next day at like about 1 p.m. So honestly, it's been over 8 hours. But I want to keep it until maybe like Sunday night, so 2 more days, and then I'll wash it. And the hardest part now is keeping it straight, because after the keratin treatment, you want to make sure that your hair is bone straight. You don't want to have any bends or anything in it. And my hair is super long, so it's hard to make sure that all of this is kept super straight. And whenever you walk outside and stuff and the humidity is outside, it won't really affect your hair. The keratin treatment takes care of that. So the hardest part is just not, making sure you don't put scrunchies or bobby pins or putting your hair behind your ears or whatever. try to not mess with your hair as much as possible. Unless you see a bend or something, go ahead and get that flat iron and straighten it. You want to make sure that it's straight before you do your first wash, because if you have a bend in it, that's how it'll come out in your hair when you wash it. So you want to make sure that it's straight. I will update you guys when I wash my hair the first time to see the results. I'm pretty excited for the results. I hope that I have less frizz. I hope that my curl pattern is a little bit stretched, just so it makes it easier for me to manage my hair from day to day. And yeah, it lasts 3 to 6 weeks, so if I don't like it, I can just use a lot of sulfates in my hair, just try to get rid of the keratin in there. But I think I'm gonna like it, honestly. Hello everyone. So these are the results of my keratin treatment. Still have my curl. It's not gone. I still have shrinkage, of course. Let me just show you. Yeah, here's a better look at my hair and the curl pattern and everything. This side too. Yeah, overall I am happy with the keratin treatment and how it turned out. Yeah, I still have my curl. I am going to try to re-straighten it maybe in a couple weeks or like a month or two to see how it holds up when it's straight. I've worn it one day curly like this with the keratin treatment, and as far as the humidity and frizz, I don't really have that much. As much as compared to what I had before, it's a huge reduction in frizz. Yeah, would I get it again? Totally. I do think it's worth it. I'm really happy with it. It's easy for me to detangle my hair now, less frizz. Those are the major benefits of it. Yeah, let me know if you guys like it. Let me know if you would get the keratin treatment. Yeah, just talk to me in the comments below. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to keep leaving me comments. I love seeing you guys' comments. All my new subscribers, what's up? We're gonna have my video soon. Don't worry about it. Sorry for being so MIA. Hope you guys still love me, because I love y'all, and bye.